So guys, actually before checking that Bitly link, I got to show you how do you rank videos, right? How are you
Yeah.
able to rank videos, Sharanya? We're able to rank it through a special software called as
Video
Video
marketing
Marketing Blaster.
blaster.
It's called as VMB, right? So
Right.
VMB. Okay, if you heard of it, it's amazing. Okay, so VMB is an amazing, ultimate, mind blowing, say tool that will help you to do 3 clicks and rank on Google and YouTube. Can you tell me what is it, Saranya?
Yeah, right. Video marketing blaster is an easy software to use that quickly finds all the keywords people are using to search YouTube for videos in your niche. Okay, and from that it lets you know which keywords your video can easily show up for at the top of YouTube, as well as the estimated number of free views you can get from it every month. Okay, and after choosing the keywords you want, Video Blaster then creates a title, description, and tags that are perfectly optimized for you, the keywords, and to help your video show up at the top of YouTube once it's uploaded. So now that you know what it does, let's get into Video Marketing Blaster.
Let's get into Video Marketing Blaster right now. This is the ultimate software that can reverse engineer YouTube and Google's ranking system, right, Charanya?
Yeah, right.
So it's like tested with thousands of videos and the ranking factors and all the triggers and signals that Google has, and this has been tested with that. So I have VMB here. Once you download the software, it's VMB. Okay. Go to video details here, the third one. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, Sharanya, is I'm going to show them a YouTube video on how to rank it. Okay.
Okay.
So for that, I'll need to head over to my YouTube channel. Okay. It's all with the shape of you. Push and pull like a magnet. Ooh ah, ooh ah, ooh ah, ooh ah, ooh ah. I head over to my YouTube channel. Okay. So now in my YouTube channel, I'm going to rank one video here. Okay, let me try to rank a video. Which video should I rank? Give me a minute. Which video should I rank it that can ultimately change the entire, say perspective altogether? Okay, let me try to rank this one. Everything can be ranked, guys. Each and every video can be ranked. Okay, I'm just looking at one video that how to get a job at Google. I'll try to rank this. Okay, Sharanya. Very very competitive. Say what do you call as very competitive video to rank. Okay, I'm gonna do this right now. I'm gonna head over to YouTube. How to get a job at Google. So if I try to rank for this, there are lots of competitors, very difficult to
Yeah.
rank. So now I had to make a further rank here. How to get a job at Google in English. I try to rank for this. Maybe still a little this one. So you got to use a unique keyword. How to get a job at Google in English and work and start working. Okay, cool, guys. So if I want to rank for this particular keyword, see, it's very difficult for me to rank for how to get a job at Google. So very difficult.
How to place.
How to get placed at Google. That is also a good placed at Google India. Okay, that also is a pretty good keyword. That's also a very good keyword, Saranya. I can rank for that. Correct. How to get placed at Google India. Get ready. We'll use this keyword. Copy this. Go to VMB. Go to video details. Go to from competitors. And all this should be on. Target relevant videos, related videos, generate sentences, research
Yeah.
keywords, find competitors, and generate save descriptions or tags. That also should be on. Paste the main keyword. Start generating. Wait for some time, as it will only write the title, it will only write the description, it will only give you the tags. Paste that on YouTube and you're going to rank on the number one.
Yeah, right. Wait a minute.
Number one. I'm going to show you. No more telling, just showing. Let's wait for some time as it researches. Okay. So guys, you understand, if you want to actually get ranked, you need a unique keyword and a keyword that people search for all the time. That is called the search volume. Okay,
Yeah.
it's called what, the search volume. Okay, people who wouldn't believe us till now will be able to believe us right now. Okay,
Okay.
it's in 2 minutes. Okay, let's wait. Let's wait until it gives all the keywords that helps us to rank. Okay, it's researching on the Google phrases now, Sharanya. Okay,
Okay.
it's researching on the Google phrases in the part 2 section, Sharanya. Okay, pretty amazing. Pretty amazing. Let's see what happens. And one more thing, guys. So Video Marketing Blaster is not an ordinary software. Okay, as I was talking about, it can completely change the entire world of YouTube marketing itself, right? So it's not at all an ordinary software. It can help you to rank. It can also help you to do manual and using the AI method. That means you can also look at the suggested phrases, suggested tags, or the suggested titles, correct guys? And then you can decide on that also, which keyword, which term that you gotta place, correct? Which keyword or which tag that you need to actually use, and vice versa. Okay,
Okay.
pretty amazing, guys. I don't know where they find all this amazing software. This is all pretty cool, right? Okay, and one more thing, guys. This is used by the top gurus, the top marketing gurus, the top video say gurus use this. Okay, so don't worry, hold on for a second. As it researches on this, it's very important that it generates and results that are pertaining to this, because a very competitive keyword we are given. That's why it's taken some time. We have given this Video Marketing Blaster a very competitive keyword. Okay, by the time Video Marketing Blaster loads, can we show them lead extractor, the next this one?
Okay.
Okay, so let me show you before this loads. Actually, let it take some time to load. I'll also show you now lead extractor from Atom Park, guys. Okay, by the time it loads. Okay, by the time it loads, also we'll write down the main keyword. How to get placed at Google India is the main keyword term that we want to rank on YouTube. Okay, okay, cool. And you never know, I'm getting ranked even on Google. I'll show you live proof. Okay, so if somebody searches, see my video is there. That's called God Seen in Sky. Okay, it's here. This one, God Seen in Sky. Okay, so if somebody types in God Sky China or whatever, they are going to see my video in the number one position. Correct, Saranya? In Google. This is all done through VMB, Video Marketing Blaster itself. Okay, this is done through VMB here. Okay, guys. So even in video section, I'll rank in the number one position. Okay. Okay, in God Sky, if I remove China, I'll rank.
Yeah.
So God Sky itself, I'm ranking. Correct, Saranya?
You're right.
Okay, here in
So,
video section, I'm ranking.
Like
Okay.
this only we are going to
Show you how to rank. Correct.
Mm.
Not still done. So let's wait for it. Let's head over to the lead extractor. Okay, atomic lead extractor. Okay, guys, get ready. I'll show you this also right now here. What is atomic lead extractor? Atomic lead extractor is something like
search for contacts on the internet.
Search for contacts on the internet. Okay, suppose I type in HR. Say hold on. Yeah.
HR Chennai.
Submission finished. JSA URL data redirect submission is finished. I'll come to that. Yeah, VMB not yet done. So HR, say HR Pune or whatever you put in, right? Mumbai or whatever you can put SEO India, CEO Mumbai, whatever, CEO Bangalore, CEO US or whatever. Once you do that,
Okay.
you can start.
Start.
That's it. It'll get you all the emails and phone numbers of HRs in Pune. Believe it or not.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you leave it for one day, one night, you are going to in the next. What do you call in the next?
301851.
Yeah. Let's. By the time it loads, I'll just close the other ones because it'll be very easy for us. Okay. So that we can do some magic here. Let me close this. You will say, stop this. Okay. Let's also stop the GSA one. Okay. So that other task speed up.
Okay.
Other tasks speed up. You need good internet connection for this anyways. Okay, other tasks would definitely start speeding up now. VMB got it. VMB
Okay,
when
we
this
got
will come
VMB.
there, but let me show them this. So like this, it will populate all the
Yeah, right.
numbers.
It extract all the phone numbers related to our keyword HR Pune or HR Bangalore
Whatever.
or software engineer or
Correct.
CEO anything, and it shows the URL from
Which
from
respect?
where
Which website?
it extract this phone number. Okay.
Exactly.
Search yahoo.com. Search.
Exactly, and you can even look at the URLs where it is extracting right now. You see this, guys? Time elapse is 1 minute. Contacts found is 38. URLs found is 392. URLs processed
Okay, within
365.
1 minute, it extract
Lots of
40
URLs.
contacts.
Actually, that depends on the internet speed. If I try it again, now it should extract very faster. So suppose I type in HR Bangalore. Let's see what happens. It depends on the internet speed. I told you, right? Now it will extract faster. Okay, it should extract faster. Let's see. 2 minutes will extract everything. You see, there's 5 contacts found in the 10 seconds.
Yeah, right.
A little fast. Okay. Now see, Saranya, it's a little fast. Okay, you saw that? It's already come to the half. Okay, in the next 19 seconds, it has come to half.
19 seconds, within 21 seconds, it
came to the half of the page.
25.
Exactly. So yeah, it will keep on extracting if you leave it for one day. Okay. So and then it will also cross verify those mails and delete the duplicate or suspicious mails. And then once it's done, click on the export wizard, and you can just export the contacts in text file or clipboard or Excel.
Word, anything in which format you want.
You can do that. Okay.
Yeah, right.
And if we are going to show them this Bitly link, and then I'll come back to the YouTube video. Okay. So Bitly was 20, it was 12, then I refreshed it.
No, 13.
It was 13, then what happened was when Sharanya turned that side, I refreshed it. Sorry about that. So 28 it became. Now Sharanya is turning to the straight computer. Okay, so let me refresh it now. Sharanya, get ready. 1, 2, 3. My name is marketing legend Srinidhi Ranganathan. 138 clicks.
Wow, 138. At that time, I note one time, 2.
Yeah.
At the time was
exactly.
Now the time was 2:35. Within a half an hour,
138
is 138.
138 clicks within half an hour. Can you believe it? 138 views or 138 visits on the website. Correct?
Yeah, right.
Believe it or not, this is the ultimate stuff that 41 from Russia, 17 from China, and 6 more. Okay, anyways, so understand, guys, how it is working. So if you leave it for one day, imagine how many clicks, how many visits, how many of this you'll get, and how many phone calls video call if I given the number. I have not given my number. I have escaped. Okay. Luckily, if I gave my number, that's it. Over. So okay, you understood, guys. This one you understood how it works. Now let's time for VMB to do the last magic before you end the course. Correct?
Yeah, right.
Ads hacking reinvented. Okay, let me go back to that. Which this one? Which video was it, Sharanya?
Sorry, this one. How to
Google. How to place exactly. That means this one, this video. Okay, anyways, Charanya, good. You did some good magic here. So now what we are going to do is we're going to copy this, correct, and paste it here. Okay.
Okay.
And we are going to, what do you call, Charanya? We are going to make it capital. Okay, capitalization. If you want to change the format, you have to keep the same. Okay, the format you got to keep the same. Okay, guys. How I got placed in Google. Okay, whatever. Okay. Okay. Here you can say Bangalore. Whatever you want, you can just put it there. Here we go. Okay, done. Cool. And then you can copy the description here. Whatever description is there, guys. And paste it here. Okay. And then tags. These are the tags. If you want, you can add more tags inside this tags. Correct?
Okay.
How to get job in Google. Okay, whatever. I'll keep this.
How to get into
Okay, that's
Google.
fine. That's fine. That's fine.
Lot
So
of
you can jumble it here. I'll tell you how to jumble it. Paste it here. Now it's time for jumbling. See, AI has done its magic. It's time for humans to do the magic. Okay, how to get a place? Is it a place here? A place at Google India. It's actually wrong. No, how to get placed in Google India? Correct. Okay. Now go here and type how to get placed in Google India. How to get placed in Google. Okay, guys, I'm just jumbling it. Placed in Google India. Understand, guys, what I'm doing? I'm jumbling this. How to get placed at India Google. Understanding, Charanya, what we are doing?
Yeah, you are jumbling
Okay,
that one
Google
sentence.
India. Okay, okay, that's it. I think Google, whatever. Guys, that's exceeded the keyword, so I'll remove this. Okay, how to get placed at Google India? How I got placed in Google Bangalore students Trinity Ranganathan. So this is the keyword and the tags, the title that you gotta give. Okay, cool.
Okay.
Save it. It's time to save it. Save it. Be the savior of the world. So now I'm gonna copy this URL, Sharanya. Okay, I'm gonna copy this URL. I'm gonna head out to YouTube and check whether it has made the changes. Okay, you saw that it has not yet made the changes, so it has to make the changes. Then only we can check. So it'll take some another 5 minutes, I think. Okay, so once it makes the changes, here it should change.
Yeah, how to get placed.
Yeah, once it changes, what happens is we'll be able to easily rank. Okay, until now, sometimes what it happens before the changes done, also will rank. Okay, sometimes after changes will rank. Now let me try, Saranya. Okay, let us try. What do you think? Let's try.
Okay.
Okay, if it doesn't work now, let the changes come. We'll come back and we'll do it. Okay, head over to hold on. Let me go to my YouTube. Okay, if you rank now, it's good. Otherwise, we'll rank after 5 minutes. Don't worry. Okay, 5 minutes is always there. Get ready, Sharanya. Where are we? The changes are not yet done, right? Then
Yeah, right.
changes are not yet done. See, now we are not ranking. This is the best example of how we are not ranking. Once the changes are done, let me show you that we will rank here. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. So
Wait.
is it done or we'll come to the next video? Hold on. Not yet. So we'll wait for it and come in the next video and show you this ranking.
Okay.
Okay. Pretty good. Let's wait for the next video coming in. Before we end the course, I have to show the rank, then end the course.